Hi, this is Tina VanDerwerker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I am here with Bill Mather from HMS Agency Incorporated. Hi, Bill. Thank you so much for meeting with me today.
Thank you for meeting with me.
You're welcome. How are you?
Good, very good.
Good. So we're just going to kind of talk a little bit about your business and then the community where we live and where you work and why you kind of joined that and why you decided to open up the business here. So why don't you tell me a little bit about your agency?
Sure. HMS Agency was started 25 years ago this month by my family, my brother and two sisters, as well as my father. We were all in different facets of the insurance business 25 years ago and decided to see if we could form our own agency. My sisters kind of work on the benefits side, the employee benefits, the group health side, the Medicare business, and my brother and I are more on the property and casualty side, which is the homeowners, liability, commercial, stuff like that. So we were like, yeah, I mean, I was 27 years old, let's give it a shot, and we started it, and here we are. So we're excited to be celebrating 25 years.
Yeah, no, that's definitely an accomplishment.
Yeah, right.
It's hard to own your own business and be successful at it, so that's awesome.
Cool, thank you.
Congratulations. Yeah. So what made you open up the business in Ballston Spa?
We bought an agency up the road here that was Castle McLennan, that was a 100-year-old agency, and wanted to keep the presence here in Ballston Spa because the office, our main headquarters, were down in Albany, right off Wolf Road. And we want to keep a presence here. We have a lot of clients that are in the Saratoga County area. I live here in Malta, and my kids go to Ballston Spa. So we thought it would be good to keep the presence here. We have a lot of people that meet here, and we like the community, and so we really wanted to keep the office here in Ballston Spa. We also had another couple of different agencies, one in Ballston Spa, one in Saratoga as well. So there's 3 different types of agencies that had clients up here, so we thought that would be good to keep the office here. And so it's been, I'm trying to remember exactly how long we've been here, but I think it's been 5 or 6 years, maybe longer.
Okay, great. So because you're kind of right in town, so do you frequent a lot of the restaurants or businesses in the area? Yeah,
we have a lot of the businesses here are clients of ours, so we go to many of the restaurants here. Part of literally, I think, once a week going to one of the different restaurants here in town. So I really like to support the community. I think it's such a nice area here at Ballston Spa. I mean, I actually live in Malta, but Ballston Spa has been such a fantastic community, so we like to support it.
Right. Yeah, well, and that's the important thing about being a small business. You know, you support other small businesses in the area, and then you all thrive together.
Right.
So that way, you know, you're helping each other, and I think that's important.
Right.
So what kinds of interesting things can you tell me about insurance? Most people don't think insurance is super interesting.
Yeah, no, I mean, insurance is a lot of it because you have to have it for whether it's your home or your auto or your health insurance and things like that. But it's an interesting business because every day there's something different, and it's really getting to talk to clients, see what their needs are, see what we can help them with. You learn so much about different businesses that I would never ever even know anything about, and how the needs they have with insurance, and just knowing how same thing, how people get started, and how they have grown into their different businesses, how they've grown more. But it's just insurance is really just helping. I mean, it really doesn't mean too much until you need it, and when you need it is when you really want to make sure you have somebody here by your side. So whether because you get a policy and it's like you may never need it, but if you do need it, you need to make sure somebody's here. So when you have a claim, that's really what it boils down to. And we're always here to help somebody if they need issues. My cell phone is always available, and that's really where it comes down. And when you help people in time of crisis, it's a real good feeling. And we have really good partners here with our carriers that we work with. So we try to really work with strong insurance companies, so they're going to be backing our customers as well.
Yeah, so you don't just work with one specific company, so you can meet with somebody, like you said, you figure out what their needs are,
correct,
and then you can go to the appropriate company depending on maybe it's a coverage thing or maybe it's a price thing.
Yep.
So
we have I think we rep over 20 different insurance carriers that we represent on the property and casualty side. On the benefit side, we work with all the major health carriers around here. But yeah, with all the different companies we have, there's always something we can find somebody. Very rarely somebody, oh, we can't help you out. We can always find the product for them, and you know the price that's what works for them. But yeah, we've always are looking to keep our carriers and add new carriers that really fit our clients. But we really think at this point we have a really good, strong group of carriers to help our clients, whatever it is, whether it's commercial, boat, auto, home, seasonal home, or sometimes in this area we have people that are, you know, way out in the woods with no, you know, hydrants or like that. Those are always difficult type of stuff, or harder to place type risks. We're always willing to help people in that area as well. So that's you know, it's always fun trying to, if you can help somebody find a good policy, it's just a great feeling to help them, especially with the price stuff.
Yeah, and especially if it's a difficult situation and you come through with, you know, a good solution for them. You know,
right. Yeah, I mean, a lot of times people, it's just, they can't, it may be a little outside the box of whatever a carrier does. So we have to go to different markets for that. But we can always typically help somebody in that experience. And it's always, you know, they're always thrilled that, oh my gosh, you can actually help us with that. Thank you.
Yeah,
for the marketplace or something. So,
yeah, for sure. So what do you like to do when you're not working?
I enjoy golf a lot. That's my main thing I like to do. I like to ski. You know, spending time with my family. I have 2 boys and a wife. And we just, you know, we like to spend time together. My son just joined the business. He graduated from Albany, and now he's working in the business. So it's keeping the family tradition going. So he got licensed, and he's enjoying that. And we have a really good staff here. There's about 12 of us here, so we have a really good group of people that work for us and been with us for quite a while. So that's been great. Yeah.
Well, is there anything else about the community, about Ballston Spa, Town of Milton, anything else that you want to mention?
I really, like I said before, I just really enjoy this community. I want to really give back as much as I possibly can. You know, we're both in Rotary. It's been such a great organization that does so much for the community that I never really realized. My father was in Rotary years ago, but I never really knew what that meant. But just being a part of it has been really fun, being able to see actually how much impact you have in the community, and just meeting new people has been fantastic with it. So that's been really good. I'm also part of the Ballston Spa Professional Association here in town as well. So we support that. You know, it's on most of the local businesses here in the area, so you know, that's been a good organization as well.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for meeting with me tonight.
Thank you, Tina. I appreciate it.
Really nice to learn more about you and your business, and you know, kind of the community and how it helps everybody in the community.
Thank you very much.
Tina VanDerwerker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and Bill Mather with HMS Agency.